Let's do some practice on this. So let's identify the follow in a circle O for all the minor arcs. For all the minor arcs, let me using a different color. Let's using red. Red. So all the minor arc. Okay, so AD is a minor arc because DC form a straight line. So the DAC is 180 degree, which is a semicircle. So AD is definitely smaller than 180 degree. As you can see also AC is also a minor arc. CE is also a minor arc. And the last one is DE is also a minor arc. So these four basically all less than 180 degrees. So they are all minor arcs. Okay, so let's see a different one. So identify all the semicircle. Semicircle means it's half of the circle. So we can tell here a CD, a CD is half of the circle because they form a straight line. So that's half of circle. So this is a semicircle. Again, similarly, AE, arc AE is half of the circle. Similarly, CD and the EA. Okay, this is a little bit messy. Let me write it down here. So DC, the arc DC is half of the circle. Arc AE is half of the circle. Arc CD is half of the circle. And arc EA, the last one, EA. So they have a full arc that are half of the circle. So we call these semicircles. Let's keep on to the next slide. So, so how about how all the major arcs contain the point A? So has to be bigger than 180 degree, and in the point A is included. So when it's a major arc, that means it's bigger than 180 degree. So include A. So how about D A E? Or whatever you can write it like ACE. No, ACE is not, right? ACE is 180 degree. Or we can write EDAC, right? EAC is bigger than 180 degree, right? So this is basically what is the difference between the major arcs and the minor arcs and the semicircles. So let's do a little practice. So the measure of the central angle is equal to its intercepted arc. So if, as we tell, if the central angle is 50 degree, its arc also 53 degree. Or if I tell you the RP, the arc is 53 degree, then its arc has to be the same angle, 53 degree. Okay. So last thing, the practice. So finding the measure of each arcs. So BC, they ask you let me write it down here. They ask you the arc BC. We know its central angle BOC equals 30 degrees. So its arc also has to be 32 degree. 32, don't forget the signal degree. So they also ask you what is the BD? BD. So we know the BC already 32 degrees. 30, let me write it down. 32 degree. Oh. So the CD is 58 degrees. So the BD will be adding BC and the DC. So that will be a 90 degree arcs. So next one, part three, they ask you A, B, C. Let's see A and B and C. We can see AC is a straight line, right? It's the diameter of the circle. That means it's 180 degree. So if the angle here is 180 degree, half of the circle, then its arcs also 180 degree. Let's go over the last. They ask you the AB. They ask you the AB. AB. Let me see so the AB is not the half of a circle. It's a minor arc, but how to finding its arcs. So we know the whole ABC is 180 degree, and we also know BC is 32. So if we're using 180 degree, the whole thing is 180. 180 subtract 32, which is 148. So don't forget the degree, 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 degree sign.